We are actually out here working on the daily today, the 2012 Nissan Maxima, and I had installed LED bulbs into my fog light, and as you can tell, it was allowing moisture in there and starting to rust on both sides. So I got to looking for the housing and actually found on eBay, because eBay's the greatest, you can buy the whole housing and LED replacement. It was right at $40. These are obviously no-name knockoffs, but I wanted to give them a try just to see, replace the whole thing. So what we're going to do today is we're going to install these into there, do a comparison video, and then in 5 or 6 months I will follow up, let you know if any of the LEDs are burned out, it's starting to fog up, whatever. So we've already got the car up in the air. We will go from there. All right, everybody, we are under the car. You can see you'll have a plug here that needs to be removed. Simply lift it up, pull down. Okay, and you will have 2 Torx bolts, one there and one over there. They are a T10. It's kind of a specialty tool, but just remove them. Be careful, these are in plastic. These are kind of in a bind too, in a weird place, but you'll have 2 of them and they just come out. Okay, we got the 2 bolts out. Now you will just push it from the front. Grab it there, Steve, pull it out, and there's that one. Now to install the new one, just the reverse. There is a left and a right. What you will want to notice is there's this guide tab right here on the bottom and this adjustment screw. Those go on the bottom. So it goes in like such. The tab on the bottom will let you know that you are on the right side. Now everything's lined up, your tab, your bolt holes. Now we'll put the bolts back in and tighten her down. One thing you'll be sure of, guys, is this is plastic and this is plastic. So if you over tighten these, you could either strip out the hole, crack this, crack that. Just be extra careful. Just a little bit more than basically hand tight will do it. Last thing to do here is plug it back in. You'll hear it click, pow, and then we are done. Both sides are done now. Fitment is good. Almost exactly like factory. We will turn the lights on now. All right, everybody, we got both of them installed here. They look really good compared to those other LED bulbs and compared to the stock, in my opinion. So tonight we will get some footage of them after dark and show you what they look like. Okay, everybody, this is the first video I have made with my Karma Grip gimbal. This will be the follow-up to the LED fog light install on my Nissan Maxima. As you can tell, this is how they look at night with the headlights on. They actually look really, really good. They are almost brighter than my headlights. You can tell a noticeable difference going down the highway with them on. And to be honest with you, I really like the color. I'm a big fan of white light versus blue or your more amber colored lights up there. So as you can see, they are super bright and I'm very happy with them. I've had them a little over a week and I'm very impressed for the price. I do recommend these. Gotta turn both of them.